an instructor at Crealdé School of Art, and today I'd like to show you something that you can do during this time, that you need to stay home and be calm, be relaxed, and be creative and have fun. The idea for today is how we can do a mandala. Mandala is like a circle that means harmony, completeness, unity, and wholeness. And this symbol you can find in a different culture, in the Buddhism. They can find also in the Celtic mandalas. You can find also in the Mayas mandalas, in a different country, in a different culture. We can find also some craft print mandala that's only for coloring. But the idea today, how you can do your own mandala. Okay? The idea that we are going to use is coffee filter, Sharpie, marker, and like a spray of water. We have done this with all the kids at Crealdé and also at Easter Seals, one of our outreach programs that I did with Fabiola Hansen, one of our instructors. We have fun doing this. The first idea, we are going to use our coffee filter, and then we are going to fold in the half, and then we fold one more time. Then you have like an ice cream cone. Draw what you want. You can use different lines, vertical, horizontal, diagonal, spiral, zigzag, mountains, looping, or you can draw like flowers, heart, what you want. The idea is that you draw for one side and then you open it and make the same draw from your back side. And then you fold again, both sides, and you draw the same drawing on the both sides. And then when you open, then we have 4 symbols, and you have different drawings that we can do what you want. And now we are going to color in this. You need to use like a superficie that you can use, don't make a mess in your house. And with the marker, we are going to color in this drawing that you did. Choose the colors that you want, and then with the spray, we are going to spray a little bit, and then it's like magical, because with this coffee filter, they absorb the color and they have the effect of a watercolor, and you need to dry a little bit because the color needs to melt, and then you can hang on the wings that we have the transparency. If you don't have coffee filter, you can also use like a paper and use a plate to make a circle. And for the bigger ones, you can only draw your hands, and then you can color in from different colors. Then you can also do some activity, or if you have a watercolor also, you can use watercolor to color in this coffee filter. And then you have also this effect of a watercolor. Okay? I hope you have fun. You can decorate your house with beauty, and you can calm you down and be relaxed and do some funny things and create things during this time. Okay? Be safe, be healthy, and namaste. Bye bye. Thank you.